on, everybody, and welcome to an episode, our first episode of Strong Coffee Garage. That's right, we're going to be taking this Halloween and we're going to be doing something extreme. With Assault Fitness, Power Athlete, and Wade's Army, we're going to take an assault bike I got in my garage and turn it into the death bike. Follow me. So we're going to be taking this Assault Fitness bike and we're going to be turning it into a death bike with the help of John Wellborn, former NFL badass. Well, he's still a fucking badass. Check out this quick clip of him crushing somebody. Now watch me struggle trying to get this in the back of my van. That didn't work. You doubted me, because being strong is fucking awesome. We almost forgot the kids. Kids! What? Let's go! All right, so luckily John Wellborn lives right outside of Austin, Texas, in a great little country area. I've been there before for a workout. He's got this incredible garage gym, and John Wellborn is an amazing welder. He builds some crazy off-road vehicles and some incredible workout programs with Power Athlete. If you haven't checked him out, check him out. And we're on our way. So the death bike. So what are we thinking here?
I don't know.
Spider webs.
Yeah.
We're talking about the spider web down there, maybe.
Yeah. So this is all powder coated. So I got to basically just grind all this off. I mean, these welds look like dog shit, but they're all like production in China, I bet. Yeah. So what we can do is I'll take measurements.
Okay.
And we'll do a spider web from here to here, and then. I want to do something to clean up the back here. We might like drill some holes and like maybe weld and sleeve some stuff so that you could actually like take pieces of metal, hole saw it, and then weld it through and grind it clean so you can see holes but it still be structural.
Okay.
And then we could do something down here, do the spikes like you wanted, And then I was thinking, because these are hollow, we could cut there and basically put a spike on there. I don't think we put a spike on here because it would hurt people. And then we could do something, what I was thinking, if this thing curved, like on the other one, doing something like this back with like a coffee cup or something.
Okay, sweet.
And then
I'm here for it.
And then I thought your idea was really cool to like leave this and then cut out these sides so that you can see this actually spinning.
Yep.
And then maybe paint those like a different color.
Yeah.
That's kind of my thought.
Yeah, to create that contrast with the turn. Yeah, I was thinking like red edges on like silver blades to give it like the blood look. That was the idea. And then I'm thinking like if once we're done with the whole thing, we'll just kind of take a little light red spray bottle and squirt shots of blood on it.
Yeah, it's nothing over.
It almost, it would almost look cool if we
took off the cover.
remove this guard totally, and you almost could put like we said, like the spider web right there.
Yeah. Fix it.
Yeah, I wonder if we could use this actual mount.
Yeah, and just
mount a blade.
pull it out, and then just basically just like put a blade on there.
Yeah.
So that the blade was the chamber.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'll just when DJ should be here in a little bit. I'll just basically take all the measurements and then he'll go over.
You could throw a power athlete skull right there.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I have little skulls that we can weld on. Like I have pre-made like little ones like this big that we can just fucking tack weld on.
Yeah, I like the idea of those little spiders too.
Yeah.
That's a cool idea. Like dropping like a little spider and like random little spots on it.
I always thought that like aesthetically wise.
Speed kills.